name is Vikash. I'm the head chef at Voila. So today we have whatever the existing menu what we are having, we have added few other dishes into it, and these are some beautiful spread what you can see. We have added halim samosa, we have added chicken chettinad tacos, we have added paneer khurchan tacos, we have added some desserts. So whatever our previous menu was, the response was very beautiful. But lot of clients who are repeating and coming to us, they really want to try something new. What else we are doing? So that's why we have launched a few other dishes, maybe you can say 40 to 45 big dishes kind of a thing, and we have removed some dishes which were good, but we don't want to keep our menu very long. We wanted to keep little bit short so people can understand, very much easy for them to pick the menus and dishes from it. So these are few other dishes what we have launched, like 40 to 45 dishes, a big list of dishes what we have launched.